Hey Lars, this is Dallin Broomfield. I'm the CEO and founder here at Iron Chest Pest Control Marketing. This is the website screencast that I told you I'd get to you. In this video, I'm going to go over the three main things that the Google algorithm is looking for, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So these are the three things that I would do to change your website to rank higher and get better branding in the Houston market. All right, so content's first. Content is king, hands down. Google wants to see a lot of content across your website, and there's a few reasons why. One, it's going to let them know that you're the expert in your field, and then two, most important, is it's going to allow you to get in all of the high quality and relevant keywords that the Google users are actually searching for. All right. So if we were looking here in the Woodlands area, and we were looking at keywords like pest control, the Woodlands, we can see that this keyword gets searched 250 times every month, and it has a keyword difficulty of 0, right? So no keyword difficulty. It's basically like knocking out a third grader. It's super easy to rank for a keyword like that. Another one is just that one rolled around. The Woodlands pest control gets searched another 90 times every month, and also has a 0 keyword difficulty. So if I wanted to get found for a keyword like the pest control, the Woodlands, what I would do is I would come over here to my content, and I would make sure that that keyword is in my header. I would make sure I have it down here in my content, and I would even save images as keywords, right? So here's just a bunch of numbers and letters. I would make sure that I would save these keywords inside the website as what the Google users are searching for. Okay, so basically doing this is all just a way to manipulate the algorithm, right? The algorithm is a robot scanning through your website, and when it's starting to pick up on those keywords, you're manipulating the algorithm, and you're telling the algorithm, hey, we are doing the services that these users are searching for. All right, so this is very, very important. Can't stress this enough. The four things that the Google algorithm is going to do when it comes up to your website is it's going to read your URL. Okay, it's going to read your site title, it's going to read your description, and then it's going to read your header 1. Okay, so I don't know why, but I am on the Woodlands page here, but this is being redirected to Cypress. All right, so it's telling me, it's giving me the Cypress titles, Cypress description, and then it has no header 1 tag. All right, it's just showing a header 3 tag. If I come over here to Cypress, it's doing the same thing, right? It's going to that, and then I'll even back up and come over here to add a line, and you can see it's being redirected as well. So these pages are not even going to show up because everything is being redirected. Even Adeline is being redirected over here to Cypress. So that is the number one thing that I would recommend doing, is making sure these URLs are not redirected, making sure that you put the keyword in the URL, have that keyword here in the header, have it in the title, or have it in the content, and have your images saved as keywords. Okay, it's my number one tip for you. So if we come over here and we Google pest control the Woodlands, the first thing that you're always going to see is your Google Guaranteed, which if you're not in the Google Guaranteed, I highly recommend doing this. This is an extremely good pay-per-lead service that you can use. The next one down is the PPC ads. Again, you pay for every time somebody clicks on your ads. Our big recommendation on that is to make customized landing pages and make sure you're funneling that traffic to a custom landing page that has your offer on it. Don't be sending traffic to a page like this with all of this content, right? You want to have it very simple, to the point, to convert that traffic into a sale. The next one you're going to have is your Google Map Pack. This is probably one of the most important places to be in because it has your reviews. All right, people are going to trust their reviews like their grandma. All right, so the best way to get up at the top of the map pack is to get a consistent review pattern and make sure that you're responding to those reviews. Google loves to see that you're interacting with your customers. Another good way to interact with your customers is to be making weekly Google posts and posting about your products and services. But most importantly, and my tip number 2, is to create citations to your Google My Business listing. All right, citations are simply just online directories. Anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number is listed is going to create that citation for you, and it's going to give you more and more authority in the map pack. So what we would do is we would come in here and we would look at its bugs or us, and we would see how many citations they have and what they have, and we'd use the copycat method. We'd go in and get all the directories that they're in, and then we'd get a little bit more so that Google would see that we are the same as them. Okay. And then the next one down, of course, this is your organic traffic. And when we're talking about Google's just one big popularity contest. So the more relevant backlinks that you have going back to your website is basically these other websites that are raising their hand and saying, hey, this guy is trusted and authoritative to be up at the top. And that's how you're going to get up there. So looking at this tool, which we use called Ahrefs. It is just a tool. It's not 100% correct all the time, but we can see your domain rating is 2.3, UR rating is 0.9. You've got 12 referring domains going back to 41 backlinks, and you're only being found for 39 organic keywords. Okay, so this is my tip number 3, is that you got to start creating backlinks to your website. Okay. So if we're looking at these keywords here, you're getting a lot for mosquito control, right? So mosquito control is getting found in here a lot. Mosquito service Houston, mosquito control Houston, Texas, but no traffic coming in on any of these keywords because you're sitting back on position 53 and 55. And I did find this one. This is why I picked the Woodlands, right? Pest control, the Woodlands, right? 200, showing position 92, okay? So lastly, we're going to look over one of your competitors. This was EnviroConPest.com. They were sitting at the top, but you can see how their DR and UR is a little bit higher, and they've got 350 backlinks. They're getting found for 10,008 organic keywords, and then they've roughly got about 25,000 people traveling to their website. So Pest Control, the Woodlands, again, ranking, well, they're showing position 2 here, but they've got 69 people traveling to their website every month, because their content's set up right, their pages are set up right, and they've got backlinks to their website, so they're ranking up at the top. Anyways, I hope all of this information was valuable to you, and I really look forward to talking to you again on Monday to see how we can help you. Thank you.